Oh my gosh, it like literally, look at these. Look at these things. God, I'm not sure if the camera wants to focus. Okay, it's not focusing, but look at these balls. They're balls of ice. I don't know what they're called like in English, but in Spanish they're called granizo. So yeah. Oh my gosh, look at those. Look at that one. It's like half of an ice ball. Oh my god. Ew. Look at that. Oh, look at the sky. Oh my gosh. So look at those. Oh. This is my house outside. It's not really cold. You guys want to see how the river gets? How the street gets? It's like a river. My dog wants to go outside. I'll take her inside. Whoa, okay. Oh my god. It's so filled with water. Oh. Let's go inside. Oh my gosh.
¿Qué, hija? Sí, va a acordar, dice. ¿Qué está ahí? Sí. Oh, tú andas en calma, me estás